Hello my friends, welcome back. Today we are showing you the AUVON's Monday through, full 7-day week pill case holder. So this is multicolored. You have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. These are airtight to keep your pills fresh. And that's very important. You don't want to get the pill holders that don't keep your pills fresh. So these work by pressing the button and it opens them up. So just like this, it makes it easy access. They can hold a decent amount of pills inside here. And then you just press them down when you're done filling. It makes it nice, simple, and easy. And when you want a pill, press it up, grab your pill, close the lid. You can hold multiple pills, so it's going to depend on the pill size, but let's say baby aspirin, you probably could hold 15 or 20 of them in here. But there's tons and tons of storage for your pills. Overall, it's nice, lightweight, yet works great.